Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Delphi, local and long distance movers near me. You should hire our moving company for your local intrastate and interstate moves within and outside Delphi, Indiana. We have a beautiful relationship with the proper local and national authorities that oversee the activities and ensure that everyone implies and complies with the rules and regulations. We also have set up insurance policies that cover the risks associated with loss and damage of belongings during and after the move. Our movers and drivers are trustworthy and dedicated to delivery. Not only will we deliver to you in one piece, but we'll also provide our services to you at an affordable rate. Therefore, you can hire the benefits of our movers without the fear of being overcharged. At 3 Movers, we offer cost-effective prices as low as $30 to $40 an hour, and we have the best interest for our customers at heart, and therefore, we charge very cheap rates. At 3 Movers, you get value for your money, and our moving packages speak for us. We have licensed drivers who know the very best ways to navigate the bustling cities of Delphi. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Delphi moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.